Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gurumurthy, Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Arts and Science, Bharat Institute, Higher Education and Research. Today we are talking about organic chemistry, topic Unit 4, amines. Amines are organic bases. They are found widely in nature. Diethylene occurs animal tissues and a distinctive odor to the fish due to the amines. The amines are isolated from plant are called alkaloids and many other pharmacological important. Amines are organic derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atom of ammonia have been replaced by the alkyl or aryl groups. Amines are aliphatic and aromatic derivatives of ammonia. The ammonia like the weak bases Kp is equal to 10 power minus 4 to 10 power minus 6. This is basically due to the uncharged electron pair and the nitrogen atom. Amines are a derivative of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by alkyl group, for example methylamine, dimethylamine and trimethylamine. The physical properties of amines is lower amines are liquid in nature. Higher stretch of NH is 3300 to 3500 centimeter inverse. Ammonia amines water insoluble because of NH bond. They are not forming hydrogen bond with water but soluble in organic solvent. H1 numbers so big 0.5 to 5. Okay, a classification of amines. A primary amines. Amines has only one alkyl group directly attached to the nitrogen atom. That is a primary amine. Secondary amine is the amine has two alkyl group directly attached to the nitrogen atom. That is a secondary amine. The amine has been three alkyl group directly attached to the nitrogen atom. It is called tertiary amine. Basicity of amines. Amines are act as a Lewis base because of it donate lone pair of electron to form new bond to the nitrogen atom. For example, RNH2 plus H2O equilibrium or NH3 plus OH minus. If the base is strong at the time equilibrium shifted to right and the Kp value is higher, the strength of base is measured in terms of pK value. More pK value indicate the more basic. The measurement of basicity through the acidity of conjugated acids, equilibrium shifted to the right and pK value will be generated is much greater for conjugated acid. Some of the basicity of amines, the pK of conjugated acid, diethylamine 10.98, dimethylamine 10.64, ethylamine 10.63, triethylamine 10.65, methylamine 10.62, ammonia 9.3. That is a basicity of some amines. Substitute effect on basicity, alkylation effect, and factor that increase the electron density on the nitrogen atom increase on amine basicity. For example, so ammonia is least basic, the alkyl group having electron density, hence alkyl group has electron density means alkylated ammonia is a strong base. So this structure, ammonia is a least basicity. Here tertiary amine is a strong base. Preparation of amines. Reaction of alkyl halide with ammonia, Gabriel-Thalamaide method, reduction of nitroalkanes, reduction of nitriles, reduction of oximes, reduction of isonitriles, reduction of amides, reduction of amination of aldehyde or ketones, reduction of alkyl azide, Hoffman degradation of amide, reduction of acyl azide. Those are preparation of amines. First one, we have to see this one is any reaction of alkyl halide with ammonia to form amine. Alkyl halide react with the alcoholic solution of ammonia to form amines. Ethyl bromide react with ammonia in presence of ethanol. We can get ethylamine and HPR. Gabriel phthalimide method. This involves the treatment of phthalimide with potassium hydroxide to form potassium salt. The phthalimide react with the potassium hydroxide. Potassium phthalimide is formed. Then react with ethyl chloride. You can get N-ethyl phthalimide. Then react with potassium hydroxide. You can get potassium phthalimide and ethylamine. Reduction of nitroalkenes. Primary amine can be obtained by reduction of nitroalkenes with nickel or platinum catalyst. For example, nitroethene, like in presence of platinum or nickel catalyst, we can get ethylamine and water. Reduction of nitriles. Primary amines can be obtained by the reduction of nitriles with nickel and platinum. For example, ethyl cyanide, hydrogenation of the alpha of platinum catalyst, can get N-propylamine. Reduction of oximes. Primary amines can be obtained by reduction of nitriles with nickel or platinum catalyst. For example, propanoaldehyde oxime, hydrogenation with the alpha of platinum catalyst. You can get N-propylamine and water. Reduction of isonitriles. The secondary amines may be obtained by reduction of isonitriles with platinum catalyst. For example, ethyl isocyanide and hydrogenation with the help of platinum catalyst can get N-methyl ethanamine. Reaction of amides. Primary amines can be obtained by the production of simple amides with lithium aluminum hydride. For example, propanoamide. Hydrogenation with the help of lithium aluminum hydride. Water is removed from this reaction. We can get propylamine. Reduction of amination. Reactive amination of aldehyde and ketone. Primary amines can be obtained by reduction of aldehyde with ammonia with the nickel or platinum catalyst. Second amine produced with treatment with primary amines. For example, propanoaldehyde, hydrogenation with the help of ammonia. The water is removed from this reaction. Finally, we can get propylamine. Primary alcohol reacted with sodium azide to form alkyl azide. The further reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to give primary amines. Propanoldehyde hit with the azide in ethanol medium to form alkyl azide. Reaction with lithium aluminum hydride. Finally, we can get propylamine and nitrogen. Hofmann degradation of amide. Conversion of amide into amine with the help of sodium hypohalides is known as Hofmann reduction of degradations. For example, propanamide active with bromine in presence of sodium hydroxide, we can get ethylamine and sodium bromide. That is a Hofmann degradation of amide. Conversion of amide into amine with the help of sodium hypohalides is known as Hofmann degradation. At this rearrangement, this reaction converts azide to primary amine. For example, propenyl chloride react with sodium azide, and some intermediate product we can get, and further we can get and hydrolysis can get ethylamine and carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Reaction of amines. Salt formation. Second one is reaction with alkyl halides. Third one is reaction with acyl chlorides. Fourth is a reaction with nitrous oxide. Fifth one is a reaction with benzyl sulfonyl chloride. Sixth one is carbolamines reactions. Salt formation. The amines or bases reactive with mineral acid to form ammonium salt. The ethylamine reacted with HCl to form ethyl ammonium chloride. This is ammonium salt. Reaction with alkyl halides. The primary amines can be obtained by reduction of nitriles with nickel or platinum. For example, ethylamine reacted with chloroform. The HCl is removed from this reaction. We can get N-methylethanamine, and further reacted with the chloroform. Further HCl is removed from this reaction to form N, N dimethylethylamine. Further this reacted with the chloroform to form. Finally, we can get quaternary ammonium salt. Reaction with acid chlorides. The primary amines reacted with acid chloride to form N-substituted amides. For example, ethylamine reacted with acetyl chloride. The HCl is removed from this reaction. Finally, we can get N-ethyl acetamide. Reaction with nitrous oxide. Primary amines react with nitrous oxide acid to form diazonium salt and salt hydrolysis to form alcohol. For example, propylamine react with sodium nitrate, HCl, Celsius, can get diazonium salt. Then the removal of nitrogen and chloride and hydrolysis with water, we can get finally propan 2-ol. Reaction with the benzene sulfonyl chloride. The primary amines react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride to form N-alkyl benzene sulfamide. The primary amine react with the sulfonyl chloride, benzene sulfonyl chloride. Finally, we can get N-isopropyl benzene sulfonamide and HCl. carbylamine reactions. Primary amines react with chloroform and solution of KOH in ethanol to form isocyanide. Methylamine react with chloroform and KOH. We can get methyl isocyanide and potassium chloride water. Okay, the qualitative test of amines. The number of the test is salt test, 0.1 gram of sample and 5 ml of 10% HCl added. We can get a clear solution. The amines is we can confirm this amines is present. Carbylamine amine test is 0.1 gram of sample and 2 drops of chloroform and 2 ml of algal KOH. We can observe the foul smell of isocyanides. So we can confirm the primary aliphatic aromatic amines. Diazonium test is 0.1 gram of sample and 10 drops of concentrated HCl. Boil and cool in ice water. 4.5 drops of sodium nitrate in water and 2 naphthol in AOH or NaOH. We can get yellow solid is a syndramine. If you get a red color means tertiary amine, orange precipitate means primary amines. Fourth test is Hinsenberg test, 0.1 gram sample and 0.3 gram of benzyl sulfur chloride, 5 to 10 ml of ice cold water. Yellow precipitate dissolved in 5% of NaOH is maybe primary amine. The precipitate insoluble in 5% of NaOH is a secondary amine. The precipitate soluble in 10% HCl is a tertiary amine. This is a quantitative test for amines. Structure and uses. Ethylene diamine used in manufacturing of fuel additives, bleaching activators, heating agent, aeration inhibitors. Ethylamine is used for feedstock in production of detergent, emulsifier, polysis, corrosion inhibitors, chemical intermediates. Amine means stimulate, it treat attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder. Also, you have uses of some amines. Hinsenberg test is Hinsenberg test which can distinguish primary and secondary and tertiary amines is based upon the sulfonamide formation. The Hinsenberg test is amine is reacted with benzene sulfonyl chloride. If a product forms amines either primary and secondary amines, because tertiary amines do not form stable sulfonamide. The sulfonamides that form dissolve in aqueous solution, sodium hydroxide solution, it is a primary amines. If the sulfonamide is insoluble in aqueous sodium hydroxide, it is a secondary amine. The sulfonamide, the primary amine, is soluble in aqueous base because of it still possesses of acid hydrogen. The nitrogen can be lost to form sodium salt. Action of amines, but secondary amines forms precipitate directly because of N, N di-substituted sulfonamides remains insoluble in basic solution. There is no acid hydrogen in the N, N di-substituted sulfonamide. The tertiary amine will not react to form sulfonamide, but it dissolved upon the acidification. So acidification converts the amine to water soluble ammonium salt. The basicity of amines depends upon the ability of lone pair non-bonding electrons at nitrogen atom to form bound with acid. The more easier than Lone pair of alkanes formed a bond with the acid will make the amines a strong base. The factors that affect on the basicity of amines: substitution of by alkyl groups. In the presence of alkyl groups, it means the alkane donating groups such as methyl, ethyl, like that, will make amine become a more basic. Substituted by alkane withdrawing groups, the presence of alkane withdrawing groups or atoms will decreases the basicity. For example, nitroaniline is less basic than aniline. Basicity of aromatic amines. Aromatic amines is less basic than aliphatic amines and ammonia. Reason is the lone pair of alkanes and the nitrogen atom is delocalized in the Benson ring. As a result, the lone pair of alkanes is less available for a donation of the acid. Reaction is shifted towards the left and makes aniline a weaker base than ammonia and aliphatic or aliphatic amines. Aliphatic reaction. Ortho and paraposition to the amine group became a center a high alkane density. The amine group is ortho and para direct and powerful activating group. The promination is aniline react with bromine water and room temperature to give white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. During the ultrafiltration substitution reaction of aromatic amines is that they are very high reactivity. The substitution tends occurs to ortho and paraposition. They can be done by protecting of amine group by active isolation with acidic hydride, then carrying out the desired substitution followed by the hydrolysis and substituted amides to the substituted amine. The lone pair of alkanes of nitrogen of acetaldehyde they interact with the oxygen atom due to the resonance as shown below. Amines important fact uses. Fundamentally, the amine is a derivative of ammonia that centers around the single nitrogen atom. Has a central role as amine is classified as a compound and has been nitrogen atom connected with two hydrogen atoms and a single group of some other atoms. However, the substance where both hydrogen atoms are replaced or other atoms are also classified as amines. Already we will discuss one. The role of amine in life survival. Amine play an important role in the survival of life. They are involved in the creation of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins in living beings. Many vitamins are also built up from the amino acids. Serotonin is important amine that function as one of the primary neurotransmitter for the brain. It is controls the feeling of hunger and it is critical for the speed with which brain operate in general. It also affects the state of happiness and helps in the regulating the sleeping and waking up the cycle of brain. So the amines, the human body is composed of amino acids. Humans have been found range for other uses for amines. The medicine based on amines such as morphine and temerol are also commonly used as analgesics. The medicine that relieve the pain, amines such as novocaine are commonly used as anesthetics. The amine ephedra is a commonly discontinued tetramethyl ammonium iodide. We use it in the disinfection of drinking water. Amine also have many other functions in array of daily functions. Many amines are used in industries for pest control, training of leather, The amine aniline finds application in the manufacture of man-made dyes. Some amines such as methamphetamines and amphetamines, popular recreational drugs. Similar to ammonia and amines are basic in nature, which means that have pH above 7. Due to this, they are neutralized by using acids. The process of their neutralization result in the formation of alkyl ammonium salt. Many industrial applications themselves, choline, one of the salt, plays roles in the production of some neurotransmitter in the human body that make the brain work properly.